Today we're going to learn how to make some bracelets. Let's see how we make it. First I gotta decorate the pink bracelet with jewels. Next we're going to do the blue with the stickers. Now I'm going to put these beautiful stickers on the pink one. Next we're going to do the purple one.